I'm staying on the altitude of about 600 meters. This is a mountain close to Ohara, which is in environs of Kyoto, Japan. And today is May 3rd. You can see the famous Japanese heptameros. So 7 meros, 7 petals, rhododendron in flower. Very famous because this is the one of exception among the heather family. Normally, that family flowers are only of 5 petals. Exceptions exist, for example, there are plants with 3 petals, sometimes with 4, but heptamerous flowers are really rare. This number, 7 petals, is stable and one of the characters which separate that species from everything else. Interestingly, also, the number of stamens, as normal in a heather family, is double to the number of petals, so logically they should be around 14 stamens. If you like, you can count them by yourself. I would speak about something else. I would speak about the miracle of that rhododendron growth. So normally in Japan, rhododendrons are attached to mountains. And if you look on a bottom of mountains, so kind of lower levels of mountains, like 100 meters, you will mostly see deciduous rhododendrons. But if you go up, like we went today, you can see evergreen ones. So this is an evergreen. In wintertime, that plant stays in leaves. To me, this is absolute paradox, because you can see that evergreen plant grows on altitudes where in winter normally is very cold, strong wind, sometimes snow. Snow here is not a rare thing in the winter time. But deciduous plants, which like logically should be better adapted to the winter, are growing much lower. So I don't know how to answer it. Maybe one of my hypotheses is that ability to photosynthesize during the winter will give this rhododendron kind of handicap. So kind of, well, thing which allows it to flower earlier and with more flowers than normal. However, there are multiple minuses. For example, in the winter time, these leaves will evaporate too much water. And if they evaporate too much water, whole plant can dry out and die. You can see some dying branches of this species of rhododendron very frequently. Also, flowers on the background of developed leaves are not so visible to pollinators. However, this task is solvable, and that species of rhododendron solve it by grouping flowers into inflorescences. So this is a species of rhododendron where flowers are connected together in inflorescences, so they're more visible to pollinators from the long distance. Anyway, I welcome you to help me to solve this miracle. So why evergreen rhododendron grows on higher altitude and deciduous rhododendrons grow on a lower altitude? Thank you very much.